From the earth rise, ghostly shade, manalainen, like a horror, hairless one, like a hideous fright, clawed-headed one, approach to take away thy blast, to take possession of thine own, the injury to dust, force down into Tuoni's turf, to the end of the hut of Manala, not into a human being's skin, or into a creature's hide. The origin of ache. I well know ache's genesis. I remember the villain's origin. Ache was rocked by wind, was put to sleep by chilly air, was brought by wind, was by water drawn, by hard weather was conveyed, came in the whirlwind of a storm, in the slight tracks of a chilly blast against us wretched sufferers, against us poor unfortunates. Where did the elk originate? Was the son of Kari created? There did the elk originate. Was the son of Kari created? On the surface of a windy marsh, in a dense bird cherry clump, in a thick row of willow trees. Its beak was made of bent birch tree, its legs from railing stakes, its head from a root of ash, the rest of its carcass from rotten wood, its hair from a horsetail grass. Sharp frost, the son of Puhuri, winter's benumbing sun, don't freeze my nails, don't demand my toes, don't nip with frost my head, don't touch my ears, too hast enough to freeze, many to nip with frost, without frost biting a human skin, the body of a mother's son. Be gone, free snake fields, free swamps, freeze land, the water willow nip, attack the knots of aspen trees, cause roots of birch to ache, bite the sapling firs, refrigerate hot stones, flat stones that are burning hot, iron rocks and hills of steel, the widely rushing Vuoksi falls, the frightful rapids of Imatra, the margin of the northern sea, the declivities of the boundless sea, the swirling waters of Rifis, the terrific midstream broil. O Virgin Mary, Mother dear, beloved Mother compassionate, bring me a soft fur coat, fetch a hairy coat of wool, with which I'll shelter me, poor wretch, so that the sharp frost cannot bite into my stockings, cast some fire into my tatters, bits of coal, so that the sharp frost cannot bite, that the hard weather that swamps a mist over the land. It is pleasant to live in a mist, in a district wrapped in fog. If still a chantrine should ensue, let a scrap of butter, another of fat, be laid on the spot sharp frost has nipped, on the place the hard weather touched. Kalma, rise and bestir thyself, to watch my teeth, to look after my goods, to get my property, to recover what is taken away with thy heavy, frightful hands, with the chains of the omnipotent. O Hippa, one of his daughters, O Kipinatar, his cat, tear his thigh right well, as sparks of the fire torture him, so that he shall not sleep at night, shall not repose at all by day, without first bringing back, without his putting in its place what he has taken, what he has robbed, what he has taken of my goods, what he has got, what he has hid. The origin of the seal. A fellow rises from the sea, from the waves uplifts himself, who counts the isles of the sea, keeps watch on the water's fish. 6 flowers are in his hand, 6 at the tip of every flower, of a train oil all o'er full, they coagulated into seals. O seal, the portly boy, that rose around the sea, rough creature of the ocean field, thy father was trash, thy mother was trash, thou art trash thyself, away with thee, where I command into the sea's black mud, inside blue clay, down a dragon's throat. Virgin Mary, Mother dear, the kindly Mother compassionate, in another direction go, to gloomy Pohjola, to a snowy mountain top, to the hill's north side where a wood grouse has its nest. A hen is bringing up her young. Bring snow, bring ice with quench the fire, wilt make the flame subside, without being wholly burnt by fire, without being injured by the flame. If that is not enough, put into the flame Panu, thy shirt into the fire, thy copper belt, fling them into the fire's control, spread them among the glowing coals. Give me thy blue silk scarf for a bandage round my hand, and with it I'll quench the fire, I'll subdue the flame. May the raging fire fall asleep, may Mary make it sleep, my darling. Water keep away, my Jesus from above keep watch. O Panu aurinkoinen, the auringotar's progeny, that under forge fires lives, that takes rest upon the hearth, conceal thyself among thy coals, among thine ashes disappear, tether thyself to thy sparks, in thy hot embers hide thyself, to be used by day in a house or fire, in a stove of a stone, to be kept concealed at night in a bin of coals, in the middle of a golden ring, my darling, fire with extortion full. May little flame subside, may water, the oldest, keep awake my fire, the youngest fall asleep. O Panutar, best girl, when needed hither come to quench a fire, to reduce the flame, give thy skirts a shake, make thy borders sway, put the fire in thy furs, the flame in thy clothes, throw it into thy rags, keep it safe in thy ragged clothes. Let it burn one on the cheek, or hurt one on the side. O Nunnus, of the daughter of the air, O Högenus, of the Panutars, when summoned hither come, when implored make a haste, when thou comest bring some frost, bring ice, in the air there is frost enough, both frost and ice, freeze with the frost, ice with the ice, freeze with the frost my fingertips, ice with the ice my hands, make the fire incapable, silence its crackling noise, that it shall not tinge my nails, nor scorch my hands.